Advent, let us see. How many of you have read full Advent? All right, that's good. How many English girls have read Advent? Honestly. Honestly. That's good. Now, what I'm trying to say that you have to find out. What is Sahaja? Your guru is a woman. She is the source of all the knowledge. She is the ocean of all the knowledge. And why should you lag behind? In all things you want to be absolutely equal, similar to men, even in dressing up and everything. And what about in knowledge about Sahaja? How many have given realizations to others? Raise your hands. Only the women I'm interested in. It's good. So, that is what one should be proud of. One should know how much you know Sahaja, mentally, emotionally. How many of you dominate your husband? Be careful. She is the only honest person, I think. I know all of you who dominate. And try to crush them also sometimes. I'm requesting you now, because you are the Shakti, you are the power behind the man. You are the one who are going to make them great. You are the one who are going to build up Sahaja Yoga as a potential energy. You are like this Mother Earth who has to give everything beautiful, all these flowers. From where do they come? All these trees. This Mother Earth looks so simple. But what she gives us, look at that. Look at those beautiful things. So, one has to understand that to be a good Sahaja Yogini, first of all, you have to be an excellent wife. And not a dominating wife, pushing yourself forward all the time. I have realized this very much, but now recently I've got 3-4 cases in which I'm really shocked the way things are happening. And they can hit at me or hit at the leaders, hit at any. Because it's easy for booths to get the women than the men. It's true. When you go too much towards the right, you immediately get caught up on the left because you move like a swing, because naturally you are the left-sided thing. And then the boots catch you much more than they catch other people. You'll be amazed that when I see the women who have led a perverted sex life are much worse than men. After marriage, men get cured, women do not. They have mental problems. Because you must know you are the emotions, you are the desires of the whole world. You are so important, without you nothing can start. If I had not come on this earth, put all of them together, right from Sadashiva to Ganesha, they could not have done anything. It's a fact. It's me as a woman, as a mother, as a wife, as the spouse, has achieved this. And that's what, for you it should be the easiest thing to do, because I'm a woman and I've lived like a woman and I've managed so many children all over the world, managed the whole show, managed my family also very well. I balanced it very well. And how it is now proved that a woman can not only be a priest, but she can be the highest guru of gurus. I put all of you on the pedestal now. So I have to tell you that you have to come up and you have to look after your Sahaja. You are very important, because a bad woman and a bad wife is very much more detrimental than a bad man. I have seen now in Australia happening. One woman has ruined the whole of Australia, and one woman can make the whole of Australia a great thing. That's me. I'm very proud to be a woman. And I would hate to be a man. Look at Sri Krishna. He had to marry 16,000 women. He had to marry them. He could not have them as disciples. They were Shaktis, they were his powers, they had to be women. They would have said, already they are saying that he was a ladies' man. But to me, nobody can say that. Because I am a woman and a mother is not challenged. Father is always challenged, not the mother. So many things you can achieve as a woman. For that you have to know few things. How to express your pure love to others. How to express your genuineness to others. How to help your husband in Sahaja Yoga. In the marriage of Sahaja Yoga, you have given a promise to me that you'll work for Sahaja Yoga and you'll help your husband in doing Sahaja Yoga. You'll help your husband when he's looking after other Sahaja Yogis, and you'll look after other Sahaja Yogis who come to your house. You'll make your house a Sahaja Yoga center, receive the people in your house, and will always try to enhance the collectivity. Under these promises, you are married. You are the one who can show that. It's easy for a woman to be short-sighted, conceited, and mean. It takes time for a man to be that. But with all these possibilities, even if you have another possibility of men to dominate, then you are neither here nor there. You have no sex then. I don't know what to call them then. You better name it. A person who is neither a woman nor a man. Let us be women and be proud of it. That's how we can make a very good world for everyone. So now coming to the major problems of the world. We have seen that I'm talking about politics quite a lot these days. And maybe one day all of you have to enter into politics when the proper times come. Also, I'm going to see this Mr. Jackson in America. Let's see what works out. Also, as you know, we are working it out in England. I am going to, within 2 years' time, see all these leaders. And we are going to work it out in a way that is sensible, dignified. But it is for you people to show that you are very balanced, good families. Hello? Will you please keep quiet? Who is that? Krishna, your son is very mischievous. Will you please take him away? You must teach them how to behave before mother. You must teach them. One child can spoil all the other children. Be careful. You must smack them sometimes. I think it's necessary. Otherwise, the children can never behave themselves. They need 2 smacking on the left Swadhisthana and they are all right. We have to build up societies and families with proper training, with proper understanding. We have to treat our children also with the same understanding. As I told you, till the age of 5 years, you can smack them. Till the age of 10 years, you should teach them. And after the age of 16 years, they have to be treated just like your friends. But first, if you have missed these 2 points, you can never treat them. They'll sit on your head. This is the problem also of children in this country. But today the problems are much deeper than what we think of. A kind of a negative force like a Hitler's force is rising up through women of all the countries. Through women, this horrible Hitler and all his Germans who died are taking birth. They are becoming like, now just like Nazis. So women have to be very careful not to give way to negative forces that are working within us. They have to be humble, they have to be sweet and sacrificing, because they have a power to do it. It's only the women who can do it, not the men. Men can't do it. They have other sweetness about them. Men have some other sweetness about them. But the women have that intelligence which can build the whole world into a beautiful world. Now what are you doing? Sit quietly. Will you please sit quietly? Hello? If you can't sit quietly, better go away. Akshay? Sit quietly. Yesterday you were not here and they were all very quiet. Now, behave properly. All of you must learn to behave, all right? You must teach your children when you bring them here or bring anywhere that how to behave. You must teach them. You must tell them. Children must learn. Now, so we come to the deeper problems of this world. Is that the mental projection has now shown clearly. Be with me, all of you. Try to understand. It's a very deep problem. That if you go to the left or to the right, you jump into the extremes, into the problems, and you create problems. So we have to keep everybody in the center. And to keeping in the center, we have to ascend. Now the problem is that we have many people who have come to Sahaja Yoga. This was never achieved before, never achieved before. For that, the main reason was that it was impossible to penetrate into the minds of the people and tell them what is to be done. Everybody tried their level best. Today only I was discussing Buddha. I said Buddha tried his level best to tell people that they should get out of nonsensical ritualism and get to their salvation. He tried everything. So when he died, they said, all right, he has said not to make any statues, we'll make stupas. So they made stupas. That they started worship. Just the opposite what he said, that just now you get your salvation, your cleansing, introspection, and the middle path. He even went up to the idea that don't have families. If the families means this nonsense, you just take to renunciation within yourself, so that you see all these things. But as usual, as they were, again consolidated into their nonsensical things, they made big stupas and things and worshipped. You see that in the life of Christ. You see that in the life of Mahavira. You see that in the lives of all the great incarnations and prophets, the Islam and everything, same thing has happened, that they have perverted it. But who has perverted? Who has spoiled? The whole essence of every great incarnation. It was spoiled by the disciples themselves, because they were not realized. Now the deep problem I find it is the women who are supposed to be my disciples will be spoiling Sahaja Yoga. Very clearly I can see it now. I can see it so clearly, absolutely clearly. they are going to spoil because they have become very dominating. Because they think they know Sahaja. Because they think they have become very great. A leader's wife thinks she is the leader herself. If you call somebody that, all right, come and do this much job for me, the wife thinks she has a right on her husband more than mother has. It's the women who are the culprit today, and that's why I want to warn you. Now I have seen it. I can point it out at least 10 women like that who have done it. And now the 11th is just here. This is what it is. And I have to request you to understand that the responsibility will be on you. When it will be written down in history, as Ramayana was written, it was the maid servant of Kaikeyi, the mother, the stepmother of Rama, is the one who is responsible for the whole of thing that happened in Ramayana. But that was to happen